Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to look at BNB because that's pumping and see some more technical analysis. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. MCRT is now listed on Bybit, which is epic. I am the founder of this project, and everything you're going to see in here, you have to do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm showing you what I do in the markets. Consult your brokers, do your own due diligence. It's dangerous. Learn about trading before you get involved is my recommendation. Also, the team has a Halloween special on right now where you get 30% off the courses, the crypto master course. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into and the market is quite flat at the moment. Let's see if it's loading. Dogecoin had a massive pump and then it double topped. But it's still, this is Dogecoin. You can see here that it did about 175% movement, and now it's building pressure. And what's interesting, it double topped, but it looks quite bullish still with volume coming in. And you can see here that something is about to occur on Doge. We can see here that we've got a symmetrical triangle building here, a strong symmetrical triangle formation, and a massive resistance at that point there. There's such a strong resistance at here. It went all the way up to 0.15 cents and then massive sell-off back to 13 cents. And you can see here, this is a bullish pennant. It's building pressure, and we should, could be the bottom here. A nice trade actually to go long on Doge. I would go like this because you can make a tight stop loss just beneath the daily support and then target the next resistance at 16 cents. And you can see here, bullish pennant usually moves the distance of the pole of the pennant. So for Doge, this would be taking us to around here. Next, I'll do Bitcoin. This distance here should be the breakout area for Doge once it breaks out, and it lines up perfectly with that resistance. So it's risking 5% to make 33% without leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be 330%. You can also trade Doge on Bybit, and you can see the resistance is at 16 cents. That's the previous resistance. The rest of the market is quite even, almost flat today. Let's see. Gala is up 23%. Sand is up 11%. So gaming tokens are starting to pump. Axie Infinity is up 4%. Doge is up 4%. This is good news. Gala for MCRT. Gaming tokens, Gala, Sand, Axie are starting to pump. BNB is also up slightly. Let's go into Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is slightly down on the day. Bitcoin is still in this rising triangle. Rising triangle. Usually it does two things. Usually this is a bearish pennant, bearish triangle 70% of the time. But if it can break, it's also, if we look at it in this way, it's a bullish triangle in that way. So it's got to, if it can hold this line here, if it can hold 20,500, then we could assume that it does this and goes towards that top of that triangle breakout, 22,491. If it breaks below this point, then most likely we can short it down to 19,200. So that's the point. The trade from yesterday is almost slightly down, almost break even on the day. So I'd still do that. I'd still be going long here. If you haven't opened a trade, stop loss just underneath and the take profit at the top of that breakout, because two things will happen. Either it's going to bounce off here and the long will activate. So actually you could move the long slightly lower. You could go from here. It's going to either activate the trade where we are right now and start to head up and go towards that 22,000, or it's going to fail here, which is another option. It could fail here and it could break to the downside. And if that happens, then it's a very tight stop loss. So the stop loss will be hit, then we can short to that 19,200. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin right now. So this trade here, it's a 5.83 risk to reward. I'm risking $312 to make $1,819. With 10x leverage, it'll be $18,119 of profits. I'm opening the trade where we're sitting right now, 20,700. Stop loss at 20,336. Take profit at 22,467. We also have a resistance here at 21,800. So opening the trade here, stop loss here, and then take profit here. That's a trade that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath the video, in the description of the video, you can go down below and you can sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign-up bonus when you use that link. So everyone go down into the description down below, use that link, sign up to Bybit. you get $4,450 of bonuses. And pay attention to MCRT. Gala's pumping today, Sand is pumping. MCRT just listed on Bybit, which is epic news. Bybit is one of the biggest exchanges, so go down below, use that link, $4,450 bonus. I am the founder of MCRT, so you have to do your own due diligence. And you can trade, you get that bonus using that. You have to use that link down below. You need to sign up to Bybit using that link. And now I've been daily purchasing around $1,000 worth of MCRT every day. And now I'm going to do another $1,000 buy of MCRT, which gives me 112,000 MCRT right now. Buy MCRT at the current price, $1,000 worth. Buy MCRT. Confirmed, that trade is now filling. I'm buying $1,000 worth of MCRT, and I've been doing that almost daily at these prices. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice, and that's what's happening in the market. Let's check out what else is happening here. Magicraft after getting MVP. So MVP means that you're the best player in the game. You can win up to $30, 3,000 MCRT every day by playing. Congrats, Magicraft has been listed on Bybit, another epic milestone, which is awesome news. Bybit is one of the biggest exchanges in the world. It's second biggest. That's very good news. This is some merchandise that's being created for MCRT. This is Zap, one of the characters in the game, which is beautiful. This is another character, Vega, who's in the game. The merch is looking awesome. This is another character in the game, Magicraft coming to life. This is our development studio at the moment. You can see some of the roles that we have in our development studio. Lead Unity developer, senior, three middle Unity developers, React developers. This is our development studio. This is one of the characters in the game. They are being added as NFTs. That's a great announcement you did there. I always love watching the videos every day. MCRT is going to boom very soon. Thanks again for the TAOs reminding on you how to become a millionaire. Let's go. Thank you, Winston. Happy Halloween, everyone. 30% off all courses. You use that code up until November 30. The link is down below. This is one of the maps for MCRT in the game. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my thoughts on the market. I will do the next video. I'll do BNB because there's not enough time, and Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button. Comment down below. Did you buy Doge? Are you buying MCRT? What are you doing in the markets? Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.